So we have the Fuzion 427 Toyhauler. It is a 2021 Fuzion 427. And you walk into the living room. You have a sofa with that goes up. It has two recliners on either end. We have a full-size fridge. Here's our sink area. We have a 3-burner gas stove. Our microwave is a convection microwave. This is the seating. We have 4 stools there that come out of the island. And then up here is the master bedroom. Hey y'all! And there's our washer and our dryer. Don't mind the mess. And that's our closet. We have a queen size bed. Of course it has storage under it. We have a little dresser there and then our television there. Here is the bathroom, shower. We have a big TV and a fireplace, Miss Allie, and then back here in the garage, this is where our desks are. There's a queen size bed up there, and then this was the couches with the dinette in the middle. We took those out and opted to put desk in so that we could work from home. There's a half bath back here, small, just a regular half bath. And then out here, of course, is the patio. And this is Fosque Creek Campground. That's our rig.